Okay guys, just decided to stop in on this new construction neighborhood and just see how things are going in basement houses these days, and I found this. So obviously there's a metal box that goes through here, but then there's this little add-on box back here that has a piece of flex on it. So I saw that and thought, wow, that's weird. I come around here and there's actually a filter grill inside a filter grill. And then down underneath, it's actually open right now. So I'm not sure what it's all about, but does anybody know why you would do a piggyback stack head like that? And then this is what it looks like from the bottom. There's a stack head, there's a piece of 6-inch flex, and the box has been meticulously crafted around that space. I don't understand. Somebody got an idea? I don't.